Friday. I wanted to pop on and do our mini series. We are in week 9, so we only have 1 week left after this week, so look forward to that next week. Today we are talking about what to do after repairs are complete. So the best thing to do is to just get a reinspection that can help verify that all repairs were done correctly, and that you're going to be good to go once you're in that home. Of course, we'll make sure we have paid invoices to show proof of those repairs as well. It is a great idea to get a reinspection by this same person that did your original home inspection, so they can go in, put their eyes as a professional on the repairs, and confirm that they were done as they were supposed to be done. And then in this same time frame, we also will hopefully get a clear to close from the lender if you are obtaining a loan. So what that means is that all loan conditions have been met and you are good to schedule closing and move towards the closing date. So those are the 2 things that are going on at this, part of the transaction. And again, this is going to be right before you are moving towards that closing date. So we are checking repairs for accuracy, getting a reinspection done, getting those paid invoices, and then also we are looking for that clear to close, that when the lender says that all loan conditions have been met, and we can schedule a move towards closing. So next week we are going to talk about the few things that you do the week actually of closing. So look forward to that. And as always, if you have any questions, we're happy to help. And I hope you have a good weekend.